Hello and welcome to our video on Believe in Yourself, Overcoming Self-Doubt. In today's fast-paced and competitive world, self-doubt is something that can plague us all. But it's important to remember that with the right mindset and tools, we can overcome this hurdle and achieve our goals. So, let's dive in. The first step in overcoming self-doubt is to understand what it is and where it comes from. Self-doubt is a feeling of uncertainty about one's abilities or actions, often accompanied by negative thoughts and emotions. It can be caused by a variety of factors such as past failures, fear of the unknown, and comparing oneself to others. But it's important to remember that self-doubt is not a reflection of our abilities or worth as individuals. The next step is to recognize when self-doubt is creeping in. This can manifest in different ways, such as procrastination, avoiding challenges, or negative self-talk. By identifying these behaviors, we can take steps to counteract them and regain our confidence. One way to overcome self-doubt is by changing our mindset. Instead of focusing on our weaknesses and past failures, we can shift our attention to our strengths and past successes. We can also practice self-compassion and remind ourselves that making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. Setting realistic goals is another important step in overcoming self-doubt. By breaking down larger goals into smaller, achievable steps, we can build momentum and confidence along the way. It's also important to celebrate our progress and not get too hung up on setbacks. Finally, seeking support from others can be a powerful tool in overcoming self-doubt. This can come in the form of a mentor, friend, or therapist. By sharing our struggles and receiving encouragement and feedback, we can feel less alone and more empowered. In conclusion, self-doubt is a common challenge that we all face at one time or another. But by understanding it, recognizing it, changing our mindset, setting realistic goals, and seeking support, we can overcome this obstacle and believe in ourselves. Remember, you are capable of achieving great things. So go out there and make it happen. Thank you for watching our video on Believe in Yourself, Overcoming Self-Doubt. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below on how you've overcome self-doubt in your own life.